Hey, hi friends, welcome to Vacation Technologies. Today we are going to discuss about how to create the package.json file with a with just a simple and single command. Okay, so what we can do is we just need to go to the command prompt. Okay, so here we are just going to use the Visual Studio Code command prompt, and in that I will just write one of the simple command, and by using which automatically the package.json will create in the particular folder. So now the package.json basically it uses in React and other project types. Okay, so basically if we are creating the React project by using those npx command or something else, then automatically those package.json will create. But sometimes in some scenarios it will require that you need to create it manually. Suppose let's say if you are creating the React project manually, so at that time you need to create that package.json file manually through the command prompt. So here I am just going to show you the detailed step how you can create the package.json with a simple and single command. Okay, so in the screen you can see uh, that I have just opened the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so let me just open that particular folder. Okay, where I am just going to create that package.json. Okay, so here you can see I have just opened the manual project folder. Okay, and let me just close this welcome window. Okay, so now you can see here this manual project folder is there, and under that there are like no folder or files exist. Okay, now let me just open the terminal window. Alright, so now in the terminal window I am just going to write a simple and single command, and by using which we can automatically generate the package.json file. Okay, so the prerequisite for the for the package.json is make sure that you in your system npm is available. Okay, I mean node package manager should be available. Okay, so let me here just type the uh, type npm dash v to check what is the version of node package manager. Okay, so in my system 6.14.4 is there. This is a little bit older version. Okay, so maybe if you want a newer version, then you can just install it. Okay, so let me just clear the terminal window. Okay, so to just create the package.json, so what you can do, just type npm and init. Okay, so this is the command by using which we can just generate that package.json manually. Okay, then just hit enter. So in the screen you can see here the utility will walk you through creating a package.json file. Okay, so by using this npm init command, okay, the utility will create a package.json file. Okay, if you need just more help, then you can type npm help json. Okay, and you can also like uh, use npm install package afterwards to install a package and save the dependency inside the package.json file. So let's say if you have some project dependency are there. Okay, and you just want to do that, then what you can do, so after creating the package.json file you can install that package, and automatically do whatever the dependencies are there with the package, automatically it will be saved under the package.json file. And if you just want to quit this quit this process, then you can press Ctrl C. So automatically that that creation of package.json file will be cancelled. Okay, so here the next line you can see here, it is asking for the package name. Okay, okay, so let me just give here my first project. You can give as per your choice. So here you can see it is asking for, sorry, the name can only contain URL friendly characters and name can no longer contain capital letters. Okay, so it should not start with a capital letters, and it should not contain any space in it, because this can be I mean the name can contain only the URL friendly characters. So I can give my first project. Okay, so this is fine. Okay, and the version is 1.0.0, so I don't want to change the version, so just press enter. So if you have some other version, then also you can give it, and as I'm not going to give any newer version, so just press hit enter. Okay, description, like what is the description of this project. Okay, so I just don't want to give anything, but for the sake of purpose I can just give first project. Okay, so entry point is index.js. Okay, if you have some other entry point, then you can give it, but usually the index.js, it can be used for the React project. Okay, I don't want to change it. Test command, I don't have any test command, and if you have, then you can give it. So git repository, currently I don't have anything. If you have anything, then you can just type or paste it here. Okay, keywords, even if I don't have any keyword, so I don't want to give it. And author, so I can give some of the author name. Okay, so let's say James. Okay, I can give the author name as James. A license, I don't have any license. Okay, so by default it will take ISC. Okay, so if I press it enter, then you can see here able to write to D drive. Okay, so whatever it is there, the path of that uh, project, and after that it will just create the package.json, and here you can see like this is the JSON format of that file. You can see here the name, version, description, main, script, okay, author, and license. Okay, so after that it is again asking for the confirmation, is this okay? And if you press yes, okay, then automatically that package.json will be created under that manual project folder. So let me press S. Okay, so now you can see here in the left hand side the package.json got created. So let me just open that package.json. Alright, so here you can see, so basically this is JSON file. Okay, and whatever the value we provided in this, I mean during the terminal window, we got all those values here. You can see here that the name is my first project, which we gave during the starting of the package creation, package.json creation, and the version is 1.0.0 because we didn't change any version. The description, I gave it as first project. The main, or you can say the starting point, is index.js. Script, so this came by default. Okay, and the author is James as I provided it. License is ISC. Okay, now so if you just want to create the package.json file manually, okay, then simple thing is you can just use this npm init command, by using which you can create the package.json file. And like after the package.json file got created, if you want to just install any of the packages, okay, then you can simple provide npm install, then the package name, and once the package is installed, then you then automatically its dependency and everything, it will be saved under the package.json file. And this is the way in which you can create the package.json in an easily manner way. Otherwise you can simply uh, create create a project like here, new file, and After that you can just go manually edit name, version, description. So these things you can do it manually. I mean, those are like you need to add the name, version line by line. Okay, and that's I think that's a very difficult process. So this is all about our today's video. Thank you.